Hi, this is Monty with another can-do moment. I needed to get my yard aerated. Hadn't done it in about 3 years or so. So I called around, and the company that did it for me last time doesn't do aeration anymore. Got some estimates. They range from $375 to almost $500. And I thought that was pretty high for me. So I decided, I had two reasons why I'd do it myself. One, I'm retired, I'm on a fixed income. So I thought I'd see if I could save some money. And two, I'm retired. I've got time. So I was going to give it a shot. Never done this before. It worked real good. I had to rent it. I rented a trailer with it. Total cost is going to be about $100. I do have one pointer for all of you. When you start out, start in a location in your yard where you're going to go straight, and then you're going to turn around and come back straight. Do that a couple times so you get used to handling the machine. Don't make the mistake I did. I started out over there next to my edging on my landscaping, and I followed the curve of the landscaping, and that was tough. I was learning at the same time, and I'm lucky I didn't destroy the edging on my landscaping. I ended up running it on slow speed. This thing will haul you around the yard if you have it turned up. So I did it slow. I had plenty of time. Started about 9 o'clock, got done at 10 o'clock. 1 hour, not bad. And one more thing. When you're renting these, they give you a full tank of gas. Make sure you've got a full tank of gas before you take it back, because they're going to want to charge you for the gas that they put in. That's it.